Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Mealie, Recipe Manager, on Debian 12. First, update the package index and upgrade all installed packages. Next, install tools required for secure repository management. Continue to create a directory for trusted GPG keys. Next, download and register Docker's GPG key. Then, add the Docker repository for Debian 12 and refresh package lists. Next, install Docker Engine and the Docker Compose plugin. Then, verify Docker installation and Docker Compose availability. Now, create the project directory. Continue to create the Docker Compose file. Paste the following configuration. Next, create the persistent storage directories. Then, pull the latest Mealie and PostgreSQL images. Continue to start the containers in detached mode. After that, confirm that the containers are running. Now, install and check Nginx. Continue to create an Nginx virtual host. Paste the following configuration. Then, enable the site. Next, verify the installation by opening your browser and going to the following URL. If Mealie loads correctly over HTTP, the installation is complete.